Hello traders, so welcome to my trading channel. In this video, I will show you how to make massive profit using this easy trading technique. And after discussing everything, I will backtest this strategy in front of you to see end of the day it's really profitable or not. And this strategy also works very well with most of the trading platforms like Forex, options, stock, cryptocurrency, and others. And you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's deep dive into the world of trading together. So now I select my asset as a TRX USDT, and from the TradingView asset library you have to must select your asset and trading platform from here, otherwise your platform price could not sync with TradingView price and it could be a reason for your trade fail. And the time frame for this strategy, I select 5-minute time frame. Right now I will going to test this strategy by TRX USDT cryptocurrency, and the result could be different for other trading asset. Now I have to add our today's two indicator. So first indicator name is TASC 2023, and you can see also right here TASC 2023. You can see one indicator by pine coder TASC. The indicator name is TASC 2023, so I simply click to add on my chart. And the second indicator is EMA. So also right here EMA, you can see another indicator. The name is moving average expansional, so I simply click to add on my chart as well. Alright, we are successfully add our today's indicators. So now I have to change some setting of the two indicator for better understanding. So first go with TASC indicator. So the TASC indicator, everything will be default, and from the style tab I just want to change the color to white and also want to change the thickness and simply save. So now I have to change some settings for EMA indicator. So I simply go EMA indicator setting, and from the input setting the length will be 40, and from style tab I want to change the EMA color to yellow. Also I want to change the thickness as well. Alright, our trading environment is ready and it's ready to catch signal. So now let's see how we can generate trading signal using this strategy. This strategy is very easy to understand. For generating buy signal, if the price stay above the TASC and EMA indicator, in this time we just take long position. And for generating sell signal, if the price crossing down the EMA and TASC indicator, we take short position. And remember, we avoid all the trade if the EMA and TASC indicator line is crossing each other like this. Now for better understanding, I want to show you live chart example and stop loss and profit target strategy. Then we will backtest this strategy, and after that we will discuss how you can trade this strategy using multi-time frame for increase the win rate percentage. So now let's go with some live chart example. In this chart you can see the price is successfully crossing up the TSC and EMA indicator, and now the price is stay above the TASC and EMA line, so it's our buy signal. So we take long position here, and our stop loss will be below recent swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. And if I see after a few the price is trying to go up, and let's see what's happened, and you can see the price is successfully hit our profit target 1. And after a few the price is successfully hit our profit target 2 and profit target 3, and it's count as a successful trade. And if you have a risk management knowledge, you can also increase your profit target. But remember, it sometimes is very risky, and all the time the price will hitting our profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3. It's not guarantee. Sometimes just hitting our profit target 1, profit target 2, even hitting the stop loss. But hitting stop loss is very few. And you can see in here another sell signal. So now let's go with another live chart example. In this chart you can see the price is successfully crossing down the TASC indicator line and EMA indicator line. And now the price is step below the both indicator line. So we take short position here because it's going to happen a strong downtrend, and the stop loss will be above recent swing high, and the first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. And if I see after a few the price is trying to go down, and let's see what's happened. And after a few you can see the price is successfully hitting our profit target 1, profit target 2 and profit target 3, and it's count as another successful trade. And now I want to backtest this strategy to see it's really profitable or not. For backtesting this strategy we need the backtest sheet, so I already mention the link in our YouTube about section. Also you will get the link on our Telegram channel about section. So I simply copy the link and paste over on my browser, and you can see after a few the backtest sheet is downloaded. So I simply enable the editing panel. So now I have to put all the profit percentage in this column, and after then we will get the win rate and total profit. And from here also you can adjust your account balance and leverage. So this strategy I think 15x leverage is best. So now let's start backtesting. So guys, we are successfully backtest our strategy 50 times. So if I see the result, you can see this strategy win rate is 86% and only 1000 capital. Our total profit is 38,000. So really, end of the day, this strategy is very profitable. So now I wanna going to show you how you can trade with strategy in multi-time frame. So the multi-time frame concept is also very simple. First, you have to select the higher time frame. So I select 1 hour time frame, and from here you can see from 1 hour time frame you have to find out a crossover. So you can see in here is a buy signal. So and another sell signal in from 1 hour time frame, and during this period we just take buy signal and all the sell signal we avoid. So if I count, and let's see how many wrong signal we can avoid. So you can see it was sell signal, so 1, it was also sell signal 2, and it was also sell signals, so 3, and it was also sell signals, so 4. So 4 signal we can filter out. So 4 false signal we can filter out. So if I again go on my backtest sheet and simply going to check the win rate, if I avoid the 4 false signal, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see our win rate is increased by 93%. Friends, I hope you understand how you can generate buy and sell signal using this simple and easy trading strategy. If you love this strategy, please give a like on this video. Your like will give me motivation to make the next video, and if you have any question, simply comment below. For future video you can subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching.